As I've said, I've been chairman of Maririri, and yeah, I'd like to, on behalf of us, I'd like to thank the house and all the workers. So nothing to get done, and thanks for your help today with your tikanga protocol of our meeting. It was me. I'd like to acknowledge our brother Si, he's not here today, but he's here in his way with something else. And along with that, us to the Brahmanaya.
So we'd like to acknowledge our brother Heath too, Heath. So what does money do? You might ask.
You got to ask, what is money there?
Money so me is being a wellness practitioner, which we all are. And our kaupapa is to walk along sort of valleys of Etu Whānau, which we all do anyway. So we're pretty much here protocooling each other. And going on what Leilani said, exactly would be that. She just said it all. So saying that, we have a special taonga for our Etu Whānau, and well, get your page ready, because this taonga comes from the depths of Mordor, you know? Very long journey. But our brother Simon made this for us. He's going to be here. And but it does represent our leaders, Leilani, and it represents courage. Because it takes a lot of courage to stand up, walk your talk, stand in your truth, as the brother would say. It takes courage to ask for forgiveness, say sorry. It takes courage to say, I love you. So that's what it represents. And I'd just like to give this over, so.
We've been told it's the Book of Mormon, right? And yeah,
It's a bit heavy,
see, we're winning it, but it's all safe for safe passage. So with this power, with the blessing from himself and the creator of this power, we would like to give this to Ed for your money.
But in saying this, because I do our tuarine, our tuakana, our mokopuna, so this is just really representation of our farmers, but this is a little story, real quick, I'll be real quick. 10-year-old boy, right? Used to go to one of these schools. He has been bullied. He comes home to my brother-in-law and told him to see the quiet space, his makawe, the darkness that was in this book. Anything could happen, and he stayed